Hello, hello. I wanted to make a very quick and short video that explains what the Google Classroom looks like once you're logged in. If you are not logged in or you're not sure how to log in, please refer to Parent Square where we did post a video link earlier that gives step-by-step directions of how to log your child in using the information that was sent home. The other thing is depending on your child's teacher, they may have already put your child's email address in their Google Classroom, and you won't need their code because when you log in, it's going to ask if you want to join, and it will have which classroom that your child is a part of. However, if their email address has not been added in on the teacher's end of things, you'll need the class code. So this is my class code for my classroom. If you're not in my classroom, you'll need the class code for your teacher's classroom. But that's what it looks like. That's what to expect. The first assignment that I've set for second grade is called Say Hello. And I'm going to show you what that looks like quickly. So Say Hello, you can already see that I've had one student that's turned it in, and it's been assigned to 19. You are going to take a picture of yourself holding a book that you are currently reading and smile big. Make sure to attach the picture and click the Turn In button. So what's going to happen is your student is going to click on this assignment, and at the bottom of it, they're going to click the up arrow that says Your Work, and from there they can attach a picture that's already on their iPad that they took of themselves or that somebody else took of them holding a book, smiling. You're going to upload that, attach it into the assignment, and then when you're finished, you're going to just click Turn In, and that's it. So I just wanted to start us out with something to get familiar with this platform and figure out the buttons and figure out where everything's at and how to turn the assignments in, and also to hopefully give the kids something to be excited about and share with us as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask, and we are happy to help you.